Hey Rosie, what are we going to cook today? You're an Irish setter. Do you want to cook something Irish? Poulet au l'estrogon. Kind of sounds a bit French. Your favourite footballer is Cedric on. So we do Cedric's Tarragon Chicken. Okay, let's give it a go. Okay, let's start with heating up some olive oil and a big knob of butter. Put the chicken in there for about 5 minutes so it just goes nice and golden brown. Never a frown. All right, and while that's cooking away, let's just prepare our vegetables. So we're going to slice up a medium-sized onion, quite thin. We're going to chop up our 2 cloves of garlic. We've got some fresh tarragon here, so we'll just chop this up as well. Okay, so that's been about 5 minutes. So let's just turn them over and cook them for about another 5 minutes. Yeah, so I'm just going to splice these. Just going to leave the skins on, roast them for about an hour in coconut oil, actually. Okay, so let's have a look if they're done on the other side. Perfect. And then caramelize these up, and then I'll add the garlic second. That's just so we don't burn the garlic. I have the coconut oil, and I'm just going to sort of rub the tops of the spuds just so we can get some of the coconut oil into those gaps. Some garlic salt on there, and I'm going to whack that in the oven at 210 for about an hour. Pop the garlic in. Okay, I'm going to pop the chicken back in. Put the tarragon in. L'estrogon. I'm going to put my wine in, and then I'm going to add the chicken stock. Just let this bubble up for a couple of minutes just to get the flavors going through. And now I'm going to put this into an oven-proof dish. And we're going to pop this in the oven for half an hour. So I'm going to top and tail the French beans. Peeling this will be a challenge. Peeling this will also be a challenge. A piece of carrot, a dog. Let's go. They mostly come out at night. Mostly. Wine pairing, Sauvignon Blanc from France. The same wine that I used earlier. Should be a cracker. So our tarragon chicken has been in the oven for about half an hour now. So we're going to take the chicken out, put it to one side, and then we're going to make our tarragon creamy gorgeous sauce. We're going to put half a cup of cream in here. Now I've had this out of the fridge for about an hour because I think that sort of helps with it not curdling. I could be talking nonsense, but okay. And I think we're there. So now we just have to plate up.